Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to cover our second chapter, that is the description of devastation or destruction caused by these tsunami waves. As you have listened about the tsunami that comes in 2014, that was you can say a great devastation by the nature. Here, before you read, you can see the map of Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is a part of our country. This map is given to you to understand that how the tsunami struck this island. Because these are the islands, they are situated in the sea. So, they are the victims of those huge tsunami waves. This is your Andaman Island, and here you can see the Nicobar Island. You can see here the description of these two islands. Now, coming to the chapter, here in the first paragraph it is given what is a tsunami. A tsunami is a very large and powerful waves caused by the earthquake under the sea. Tsunami is only the large and powerful waves. Why those waves came? Because of the earthquake under the sea. On December 26, 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and the parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. This is the incident of December 2004, date 26. This is the day when these large tsunami waves hit the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast of our country. See this picture, the devastation caused by these tsunami waves. Now, the most shocking thing about that tsunami event was so many a lot of people died, thousands of the people died in that tsunami incident, but the death of the animals were reported very low. In Thailand, Sri Lanka, in India, the death of peoples was at a large scale. The thousands of the people, the lakhs of the people in the world were dead. Loss of property was a lot. But if we see the animals, the count of the animal who were dead was very low. Now here a question arises, did animals sense that tsunami was coming? Do the animal have something that make them sense that tsunami is coming? Do the animals know it earlier? Now, some stories suggest that they did. This is not you can say this fact is not supported by the science. But the story is told by the victims, the story told by the peoples of those islands, Thailand, India and Sri Lanka. The stories they told give an example of this thing. Now come to the story. These stories are from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The stories that we are going to explain today, these are all from our Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is the first story of a manager of cooperative society. His name is Ignatius. He was working as a manager in the cooperative society in Kachal. Kachal is a place in Nicobar Island. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. At the morning 6 a.m., his wife woke him up. He was sleeping. His wife woke him in, jago, because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television, set off his table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. He woke up and take the precautionary measures. He took all the items from the table and put it on the floor so that if the earthquake comes, they will not fall and destroy. After doing this, they come out of their home. When the tremors stop, tremors means होता है a slight shake, मतलब धीरे से हिलना. When the tremors stop, मतलब जब धरती हिलना रुकी, they saw the sea rising. they saw that the level of the sea, suppose that this was the level of the sea, was rising up. In the chaos and the confusion, two of his children caught hold the hand of their mother's father and the mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. Now, this was the shore of the sea, his house was here. When they saw that the sea is rising, the children caught the hands of the elders, two children. One caught the hand of his mother's father, means इसको आप लोग नाना बोलते हो, and one caught the hand of his mother's brother, मतलब मामा. And they start running. Rush का मतलब होता है run fast. They start running in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means opposite direction of the sea. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. He saw that my relatives are running in the opposite direction, but this was the last time he saw them. He can't see them again. His wife was also swept away. Wife भी पानी में बह गई. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. सिर्फ 3 बच्चे बचे जो उसके साथ आए थे. His wife, his 2 children, his relatives, all were swept away in that wave, in that tsunami. This is a very pathetic story. Now this is the story of a second man, Sanjeev. He was a policeman. He was also working in the same place, Kachal Island. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. He somehow managed to save his entire family, save himself, his wife and his daughter. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. But then he heard the cries, the sound, help, 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 from the wife of his neighbor John. She was helpless. She was crying for the help. Sanjeev was a brave man. He jumped into the water and to rescue her, but they were both swept away. He was a बहादुर आदमी था. He was a brave man. He jumped into the water. Why? To rescue him. उसको बचाने के लिए कूद गया. But they both were swept away. लेकिन ना तो संजीव वापस आया, ना तो जॉन की वाइफ. They both were swept away. Now this is the third story. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. This is the story of her Meghna. She was also swept away. पानी में वो भी बह गई थी. With her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 2 दिन तक, for the 2 days she was just floating above the sea. पानी में तैर रही, पानी में ऊपर बह रही थी. Why she was floating? Because she has captured a wooden door. क्योंकि उसने wooden door पकड़ लिया था. पानी में 2 दिन तक बहती रही. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. पानी में बचाने यहाँ पर बह रही थी. 11 times उसने देखा the rescue helicopters were flying above her head. ऊपर से जा रहे हैं, but the helicopter man cannot see the Meghna. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a day. Somehow by the luck, the waves flow him to the shore. धीरे धीरे waves से ही वो समुद्र के किनारे आ गई. Now again a story. Alam Javed was 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in the Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Rahila's home was in the Napovri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. This is the story of Alam Javed. She was only 10-year-old, studying in this school. Her father was having a petrol pump in there. Her mother's house was in Napovri Island. They had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Then what happened? When the chambers come early in the morning, the family was sleeping. When the earthquake came, the entire family was sleeping. Alam's father saw the sea water recede. he saw that sea water receded. Suppose the sea water was here. This is the last point of the sea water. He saw that the water was receding. Receding का मतलब होता है move back. तो देखा अर्थक्वेक के बाद पानी यहाँ पे आ गया. पहले यहाँ था, यहाँ से यहाँ. Recede means move back. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. When he saw that water from here, come here. He understand that the water will come here again, but this time with a great force. He woke everyone to try to rush there for a safer place. He woke everyone, jago. And they rushed in the opposite direction. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and fall down. When they start running, जैसे दौड़ने लगे his grandfather was hit by something on the head and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. The father, Alam Javed's father, rushed to help him, to help his father. उसको बचाने के लिए दौड़े. Then the giant wave came. बड़ी सी लहर आई, ऊंची सी लहर. And they were both swept away. पानी में बह गए. Alma's mother and the aunts stood clinging to the leaves of the coconut tree. Clinch का मतलब होता है ऐसे जोर से पकड़ लेना, ऐसे करके, इससे पकड़ लेना. अलमास की मदर, उसकी आंटी, सब लोग क्या कर रहे थे? हमने कोकोनट की लीफ को ऐसे पकड़ के एकदम क्लिंज करके खड़ी हुई थी. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. For the safety, they had clinched hold tightly the coconut tree, ऐसे करके पकड़ा हुआ था. But Alma saw that a second wave came, the huge wave came, and that uprooted the entire tree. पूरा का पूरा कोकोनट का ट्री ही बह गया. Alma saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital. That was the good luck of Alma, that she found a log of wood. इतना मोटा एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा बह रहा. She captured that. She climbed on that log and fainted. And when she woke up again, she found herself in the hospital at Chamorata. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. Now, these are some very pathetic stories from the Andaman and Nicobar Island. You can see the pictures also. I will send you one video of the tsunami waves, how they devastate the entire area. So, this is the story of from our Andaman and Nicobar Island. In the second part, we are also having some stories from Thailand. And most important, the story of a school girl, Tilly Smith, a British school girl. This was a story from the Thailand. I am going to tell in a short way. This is the story of Tilly Smith. He was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. She was very famous at that time because she saved a life of a lot of people. She was only 10 or 7-year-olds, but she saved a life of many people on that Phuket beach. How she saved the life? I am going to detail it. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggering to the massive earthquake in the northern Sumatra earlier that morning. 26 December का time था. They were all on the beach with the family of the Tilly, and a lot of people were enjoying at the beach. They don't know about the earthquake because the earthquake was not there. Earthquake was somewhere in the Sumatra Island, but the effect was there. They don't know about that earthquake. They were just enjoying at the beach. Then suddenly the water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I don't know what was happening. The mother of that girl said, on that day, we observed that, suppose that this is the sea and this is your beach. She found that there were the whirlpools forming in the वाटर ऐसे 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 वर्लपूल हो रहा था, फोम बन रहा था पानी में, एंड दिस वाटर वॉज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द बीच, ऐसे चारों तरफ से बीच को घेरता जा रहा था. द बीच वॉज गेटिंग स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलर, पानी आगे आता जा रहा था, बीच छोटा होता जा रहा था. They don't know what was happening, but suddenly the chili sensed something was wrong. लेकिन उस छोटी सी बच्ची को लगा something is wrong. She remembered a lesson taught by her geography teacher just before she was coming to the Thailand. In that geography lesson, she had seen a video of tsunami. And she remembered entire that content. She remembered that video. She saw that sea slowly rise, that start to foam, bubble and form whirlpools. She has seen all these things in that video. She remembered that. She remembered that video, and she quickly analyzed that. She come to the result that the tsunami is coming. उसको लगा कि सुनामी आने वाली है. यही सब कुछ तो उसने उस वीडियो में भी देखा था, जब सुनामी वाला वीडियो दिखाया था. She started to scream. Scream मतलब होता है जोर जोर से चिल्लाना. She started to scream to her father and go off the beach. She started to scream. जोर जोर चिल्लाने लगी. Go off from the beach. Go off from the beach. Go off from the beach. बीच से बाहर भागो. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. मदर फादर से बोलने लगी ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, सुनामी आने वाली है, अर्थक्वेक हुआ है. हमको तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा. उसकी मम्मी बोली वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, हमको क्या हो गया टिल्ली को, हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा. बट शी वाज स्क्रीमिंग, जोर जोर से चिल्ला रही थी. ऑल द मैन, द एंटायर फैमिली ऑफ दैट टिल्ली, द मैन प्रेजेंट देयर, दे व्हेन दे लिसन द वॉइस ऑफ दैट लिटिल गर्ल, क्या बोल रही है, जब उन लोगों ने सुना, they start running out of that beach. सब के सब उस बीच से भागने लगे. They run from that beach and enter into a hotel. The family took refuge in the third floor of a hotel. सब लोगों ने एक होटल के थर्ड फ्लोर में जाकर के रुक गए. And then the huge waves of tsunami strike that place. तब सुनामी की बड़ी बड़ी वेव्स आना स्टार्ट हो गई. They are at the third floor of the hotel and from there they can see the entire devastation the waves were creating. चारों तरफ तबाही तबाही मच गई. वो लोग वहां से देख रहे हैं. But only because of that little girl, Tilly, Smith, the life of a lot of people was saved. हजारों की संख्या में लोगों की लाइफ बची. Only because of that lesson of the geography teacher. सिर्फ क्यों? क्योंकि उसने ध्यान से पढ़ा, geography teacher ने क्या पढ़ा. Now this is the final part of your chapter. Here the writer has given you until now the writer has given you the expressions, the stories of the peoples who faces the tsunami. Now along with the people, the animals were there. In Andaman Nicobar Island, a lot of animals were there. In Tamil Nadu, a lot of animals were there. In Thailand, in Sri Lanka, a lot of animals were there. But the dead animals, the counting of the dead animals was very less. Why this happened? Why? Now he is giving you some description. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in the India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seems to know what was about to happen. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे जानवरों को पहले से पता चल गया कि कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ बुरा होने वाला है, सुनामी आने वाली है. कैसे? They flee to safety. All the animals पहले ही भाग गए सेफ्टी के लिए. According to the eyewitnesses account, elephants screamed and ran to the higher grounds. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and the Jew animals rushed into their shelters. उनको पहले पता चल गया. Dogs refused to go on the beaches. बीच पे जितने भी कुत्ते थे वो भी भाग गए. घर के कुत्ते बीच में घूमने के लिए नहीं निकले. Elephants start screaming, चिल्लाने लग गए जोर जोर से. They go towards the hills. Flamingo, a bird that used to live on the beaches, they fly away. इवन द जू एनिमल्स जो जू में थे वो भी अपने अपने सेड में चले गए. दिस शोज दैट दे नो समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम. Many people believe that animal possess a sixth sense to know when the earth is going to shake. This is the belief of many people that animals are having a sixth sense that give him the description what is going to happen. They can sense the earthquake before the humans. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing help them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Some experts, some scientists also feel that they have a lot of hearing capacity. They can feel the vibrations of the earth so that they can know when the earthquake is going to come. So that they can sense the approaching disaster. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But the fact is that the giant wave that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than this much amount of people in the dozens countries, but not many animals have been reported there. But the fact is that we don't know this happens or not. They have the sixth sense or not. They have the extra capacity or not. But the fact is that in 12 countries, the tsunami hit. Where the tsunami hits, that kills a lot of people, more than 1 lakh people. But the death of animals were reported 3 or 4. Why? How this happened? This shows that animals have something that we do not possess. So, this is the end of your chapter. Students, if you have any problem regarding this chapter, you can ask me questions on my WhatsApp group, and to the entire questions of this chapter in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.